Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Ray out here. Today we got a nice little unboxing, man. I haven't done an unboxing in a while or whatever. Yeah, unboxing. So before we get to the unboxing, y'all should know what it is, you know what I'm saying, by what's in the background. Hold on, let me turn this down before I get a copyright strike or whatever. But yeah, man, I never owned this shoe before. Actually, I still don't own it right now, but it's a gift for my little sis. You know what I'm saying, back in Chicago. What's up, sis? You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. But yeah, I got something for myself personally. It was something I already owned before. Y'all seen it before, but you know, I figure I do both, you know what I'm saying, in the same video. But first things first, so the giveaway, man. Y'all been entering the giveaway, man. The giveaway been going up. Last giveaway, y'all realized only 2 people entered, man, so it was a 50-50 chance. Now it's like a big improvement from the last giveaway, man. Y'all actually participating, so yeah, man, appreciate that all day, all day. So details about the giveaway, y'all entering, y'all doing what y'all gotta do, you know what I'm saying. Make sure y'all put the ad in, because that's the filter I'm gonna use for when I use the random comment picker to pick y'all pick y'all entries or whatever. So it's going down on the 26th, basically. That's when I'm gonna do the giveaway, on the 26th. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I might ship the shoes that weekend, but with no further ado, we're gonna get to it. The first box, y'all already know it's Jordan, so I ain't coming nothing less than Jordans. I don't know, but most of y'all don't know how I feel about Adidas, but I'm really rocking Adidas like that. You know what I'm saying? I was actually thinking about getting some Yeezys, like the Zebras. That's on my list. 350 Zebras, and maybe the not the Oreos, but what's the Yeezy one? The Yeezy 350. I mean, the 351. Can't quite put my finger on it right now. But I showed y'all. Matter of fact, if y'all really want to know, go watch the video there at the mall vlog in Sugarloaf Mills. That's what I talk about. I forgot the name of it because it's like a forgotten shoe. But as we got right here, hold on, let me scoot back so y'all can get this out of the camera. You know what I'm saying? Jordan 3 box. You know what I'm saying? Peep the label. Hopefully I'll do this right this time. I'm gonna actually pick it up this time. You know what I'm saying? Jordan 3 all day. Purchased these from GOAT. This is one that I had, never worn, said it was cold, said that I really wanted it, and ended up selling the shoe. But we got it back today. So, you know what I'm saying? Get right to it. Hold on, make sure I get that in the camera. Same time. Drum roll, the drum. What you talking about? Hey, the Varsity Royal Jordan 3, man. As y'all see all that spare laces in. I don't think the last pair I had spare laces. As y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? The detail Nike on the butt, on the back, or whatever, spare laces. Oh, they ain't no Nike, it's a Jumpman Air. See, these have been cold with a Nike on the back. I think I said that in my review last time. But it's just like an honorable mention or whatever. We're gonna get to the heat in a minute. You know what I'm saying? Bring out both shoes. These will be worn this time, and these will be kept this time. There's a lot of shoes that I unbox on my channel, man, that get sold, man. You know, sneakerheads got their ups and downs. Especially when it comes to sneakers, man. They like it, they dislike it, you know what I'm saying? A lot of these 5, I'm finna get them, man, I don't need that shoe, I ain't gonna wear that shoe. I'm about to sell it. It's crazy. We all go through it. It's all good though, you know what I'm saying? Jordan 3. I ain't gonna review it. I'm not gonna do no reviews. I realize, man, like, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man. My sneaker knowledge is not up there, like, up to par like all the other YouTubers is or whatever. I just tell you what I know from what I learned basically I mostly got all my knowledge back from YouTube, man. I really started grinding. I mean, not grinding, but like really started getting to the sneakerhead stuff and the sneaker culture like back in 2017. I know that's not like a lot of sweat, like as Kendra would say in the game, but but the whole time I've been wearing sneakers all my life, man. I've been wearing Jordans like since high school, man. Ever since I, since I was able to buy them for myself. So I mean, if that counts, that counts. You know what I'm saying? You take it for how you want to. Wearing sneakers all my life, really getting deep into the culture and just find out what's going on. And plus, like, I come from the city where MJ played at. I used to play, I heard the story many times. I used to play at the statue, MJ statue. That's when it was outside, not inside the building. When they first built it on the west side of Chicago. I actually saw MJ at the Boys and Girls Club. He just opened up back on the west side. He's still on the west side of Chicago. Man. It's just like a lot of stuff, you know what I'm saying? I want to say ties, like, I want to say ties, but, just a lot of stuff. And then, from the city, man, he won 6 championships. How could I not like Michael Jordan? You know what I'm saying? He brought the title home 6 times for my city, Chicago. Stand up, let's go. So we're going to get into the second box, man. I'm messing this box up. Hopefully my man's still playing in the background. It's finna be some heat coming out this motherfucker. I finna catch it. Let's go. Hey, sis, I looked out for you on this one, man. This is big bro status right here. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Yeah, I see the cactus jack going on. Y'all know what's going on. Travis got 6's in the building. Let's go. Size 4. These ain't mine. That's for my little sis. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I think they sent the wrong size. But I did get these from GOAT. These are British khakis joints. You know what? I'm gonna be a little selfish. I gotta look at these first. Hold on. Boy, I did not know they came with a dust bag. Sis, I don't know if you too much care about the dust bag, but yeah, I'm keeping this. I'm sorry. I must keep this. Yeah, that's for me right here. That's a half-ass gift right there. Now I just play. GOAT, you know what I'm saying? All the authentications or whatever. Authenticity checks, you know what I'm saying? GOAT stick, I got plenty of these. Alright. Just slightly pause for a sec. Had to take that moment in, man, for the Travis Scott 6's, man. As y'all can see. What's going on? It's a little size, man. I know I'm late, but like I say, I'm always on time, so we in there. Can't wait to copy myself a personal pair, but little sisters for you. So we're gonna go over it a little bit. I mean, y'all seen this show a million times, right? You know what I'm saying? Plus, the 6's is like the most reviewed shoe on my channel, as you can see. I think these glow in the dark. My sister's gonna like these, man. So you got the brown spare pair of laces, red spare pair of laces, khaki tan regular spare. Laces that come with it. See-through clear or fluorescent. What they call it? Translucent lace lock. Kind of truly translucent tongue. I know this also glow in the dark. You got your kind of like hot pinkish. Let me see, what color is that? These are British khaki bright crimsons, as y'all can see. Let me get right there. So y'all can see. Let me get a little closer. Yeah, man. This is a dope gift, man. See, I got the pocket in there. Since I already know what you're gonna be doing with that pocket. Just be safe out here in these streets, you know what I'm saying? That's all I ask. You know what I'm saying? You got these, another little pocket in there. You got the Travis Scott little smiley face in that bad boy. Yeah, we in there. To be honest, man, I don't think I would like, I'm not for the hype. You know what I'm saying? I'm not a hype beast or whatever. I honestly wear what I like. Like, that's why y'all see reviews on my channel. It's just like, man, why is he reviewing that shoe? It's because I wear what I like and I buy what I like, man. And plus, on top of that, man, if I was to go for a hype show, this is just an automatic L in the first place, man. To be honest. Just like, matter of fact, hold on. Just like these right here. I was just looking at these on Instagram. What's that? Right here. Y'all peep that? Bro, ain't no way I'm getting those. You know, I'm gonna speak to existence, man. I signed up for the raffle on the password. So you know what I'm saying? We in there. So hopefully I hit for them. But real quick, hit you over the head, man. So this weekend, man, I know next week and the week after that, videos gonna be popping, videos gonna be fire. Like I said, the giveaway, man, 26, that's when the winner's gonna be announced. Travis got 6's Varsity Royals giveaway on the 26th. That's the end of the giveaway. That's when I'll be announcing the winners. That weekend I will be shipping out the shoes, and the next weekend after that I got a fire vlog for y'all. If y'all been paying attention to my videos, y'all already know what's coming. But you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. So I'm gonna go ahead and take y'all out with this. Everybody be peaceful, man. Everybody stay patient. Everybody be humble, man. Everybody hopefully stay blessed, man. This for the passion, for the people, for the culture. I'll let y'all later, man. Peace. Shout out to you, sis. I'll let you. Peace.
I feel like I was just on another planet.